The famous genius painter Diego Rivera said, "An artist paints because he cannot but paint. Even he has nothing to hold the brush with, he still paints." I will add myself. So great is my desire to capture my emotions. Many world-renowned masters of portraits, landscapes, still lifes began their path to greatness from a blank sheet of paper. I tell you as a patriot of my country, the era of conscious responsibility for our common future has come. The days of the barbarians are long gone, and today's sound-bodied people do not paint on rocks. Give your art to paper. It will endure. And leave the unique beauty of our mountains, steppes, and forests untouched for posterity. Today we will preserve nature. Tomorrow, nature will preserve us.